I help poor people. I help poor people. Helping others is important. Helping others is important. Some people don't have food. Some people don't have food. Some people don't have a home. Some people don't have a home. I want to help them. I want to help them. I give food to poor people. I give food to poor people. I give clothes to people in need. I give clothes to people in need. Many people are very poor. Many people are very poor. They need our help. They need our help. I go to the shelter today. I go to the shelter today. The shelter helps homeless people. The shelter helps homeless people. I bring rice and bread. I bring rice and bread. I also bring clean water. I also bring clean water. The people are very hungry. The people are very hungry. I give them food with a smile. I give them food with a smile. They say thank you to me. They say thank you to me. I feel very happy inside. I feel very happy inside. Small help is still good help. Small help is still good help. I donate old clothes every month. I donate old clothes every month. My family helps poor people too. My family helps poor people too. We collect food from our neighbors. We collect food from our neighbors. We put the food in bags. We put the food in bags. We give the bags to poor families. We give the bags to poor families. The children look very thin. The children look very thin. I give them biscuits and milk. I give them biscuits and milk. The children smile at me. The children smile at me. Their smile makes me feel good. Their smile makes me feel good. Some people have no shoes. Some people have no shoes. I give them a pair of shoes. I give them a pair of shoes. They are very grateful. They are very grateful. I volunteer at a food bank. I volunteer at a food bank. The food bank gives free meals. The food bank gives free meals. Many poor people come here. Many poor people come here. We serve food every Saturday. We serve food every Saturday. I work with kind volunteers. I work with kind volunteers. We all want to help others. We all want to help others. Helping people is a good thing. Helping people is a good thing. I give some money to charity. I give some money to charity. The charity helps poor children. The charity helps poor children. Poor children need books and pens. Poor children need books and pens. I buy school supplies for them. I buy school supplies for them. Education helps them in the future. Education helps them in the future. I talk to my friends about helping. My friends want to help too. We start a small help group. We start a small help group. Our group meets every weekend. Our group meets every weekend. We plan how to help more people. We plan how to help more people. Everyone can help in a small way. Everyone can help in a small way. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money. Even a little help is enough. Even a little help is enough. Kindness is free for everyone. Kindness is free for everyone. We must care for each other. We must care for each other. The world is better with kindness. The world is better with kindness. I am proud to help others. I am proud to help others. Helping people makes life beautiful. Helping people makes life beautiful. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.